Perfect. I got her. I got her. I got her. I got her.
You got her?
Yeah. Actually, no. Yes. Oh my god, dude.
Dude! That's got, what do you think? Is that 10?
That's 10 all day. 10 all day.
Got her, bro. That thing is so big.
That's 10 all day. Look at that fish right there, fellas.
On, dude. Hold on.
That's a double digit. Get some pictures.
That is
Let her
sick,
go.
Dude. That is sick. Nice job.
Thank you. Ooh, shaking a little bit, but there you guys go. That is a Florida, potentially a double digit bass. As you guys saw earlier, Chris caught a giant, but this scale read 4 pounds 8 ounces on a literal 8-pound fish, and I very well think this bass could be 10 pounds.